Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifested Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below. And my affirmations list and audio rampage emails down below. And my master manifestation workshop with a brand new nervous system regulation course program where I teach you how to EFT tap, the ins and outs of it, and regular EFT tapping sessions that you can always visit. Today we're doing an EFT tapping for love and manifesting a specific person. If you're triggered, if you just need a reminder or a refresher. If you're new, just follow along. I am loved. I am prioritized. I am chosen. My person is committed to me. I am in my dream relationship. I'm receiving the best version of my person. I am loved. I am prioritized. I am chosen. My person is committed to me. I am in my dream relationship. I am receiving the best version of my person. I'm loved. I'm prioritized. I'm chosen. My person is committed to me. I am in my dream relationship. I am receiving the best version of my person. And that is EFT tapping for manifesting love. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, I have an NSR program now available in the manifestation workshop linked in my description, as well as the membership side of my channel for extra content. And with that being said, that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!